today we are here to meet with the SP. We were to give him a memorandum on 5 points that we thought were important, that an action plan should be drawn up. Because the theme for this day is digital violence is also violence. So to impress upon the SP to say that he should form an action plan on how to take this issue forward. That they should conduct awareness programs for teachers in schools, especially where there are girl children, that they can have sessions for them, how digitally they can be abused, how they can be abused digitally. Also for the village panchayat and municipal council elected members, as well as the child committees that are there in the village panchayats and also the municipal committees. We have also asked them to have programs for senior citizens, especially women, because if you noticed, most of the people who are getting abused with regards to the phone, mobile phones and messages and things coming through are senior citizens, and mostly women. Men at least have a little bit of awareness, but women need to have more awareness.
आमगे फ्युचरा भुरग्यांची तो भोव कोण चेडवां भुरग्यांची तो चड पडला.
कित्याक येद व्हडलो बॅनर लायतात, येद व्हडलो इन्सिडेंट जाता म्हळ्यार एक सुद्दां बायल भायर सरला.
तेन्ना हें हांवें चोयलें आनी आयकिल्लें, रानान धाडलो. म्हाका एकदम चड टेंशन जालें हें चोर. कित्याक आमगे गोंय हे भाशेन जावप आमकां मात कोण बरें दिसना.